Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI, and I absolutely love how these beautiful pillow shams from HiEnd Accents contribute to my farmhouse look in my bed. I love the subtle red stripe to the shams. I think it's just so understated, and they look so beautiful, I think, against my homemade wooden headboard. There's a very slight texture to them, but they're also very soft, so if you were to use them for sleeping on, they'd be very comfortable. The piping around the edge, I think, just completes the whole look. It's so elegant looking and also giving that same farmhouse vibe. I absolutely love that part of these shams. The zipper is absolutely top notch. It's like a hidden zipper, so you know that the metal part's not going to come out and jab you. I think these pillow shams from HiEnd Accents are an absolute stunner. They complete the look of my farmhouse vibes on my bed, and I know if you're looking to get that farmhouse look too, you've got to get these ones here to add to your overall look. They're just so cool, and that's my point of view.